Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the incredibly tiny world of the S23 mini smartphone. This phone is seriously pocket-sized, and really pocket-sized. We're talking smaller than a credit card. But don't let its diminutive stature fool you. This little gadget packs a surprising punch. First impressions? It's adorable. The vibrant pink color of this particular model is eye-catching, and the 3-inch HD touchscreen, while small, is surprisingly clear and responsive. Navigating the Android 9.0 operating system is smooth and intuitive, even on this condensed display. Now let's talk practicality. Who is this phone actually for? The marketing materials highlight this as a kid's phone, and I can definitely see the appeal. The built-in GPS function offers parents peace of mind, allowing them to track their child's location. In today's world, that's a huge plus. It's also a great option for anyone who wants a secondary, ultra-portable phone for emergencies or just to disconnect from the digital overload of a larger smartphone. Imagine going for a run or a bike ride without the bulk of your regular phone. This little guy slips right into a pocket and barely registers. Now about that 3-inch screen. While the colors are vibrant and the display is crisp, it's definitely an adjustment coming from a larger smartphone. Typing can be a bit fiddly, and watching videos isn't the most immersive experience. But for basic communication, checking notifications, or even light gaming, it's perfectly adequate. The 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage are enough to handle everyday tasks without any noticeable lag. One of the standout features, besides its size, is the surprisingly long battery life. The 1,000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day on a single charge, even with moderate use. And let's be honest, you're probably not going to be spending hours scrolling through social media on this tiny screen. The S23 also boasts dual SIM card slots, which is handy for international travelers or anyone who wants to keep their work and personal numbers separate. And yes, it even has facial recognition. While not as sophisticated as the Facial ID on high-end smartphones, it works surprisingly well. So is this the perfect phone? No, of course not. It's not designed to replace your primary smartphone, but it does carve out a unique niche for itself. It's a great option for kids, a handy backup phone, or a minimalist device for those who want to simplify their digital lives. The S23 mini smartphone is a fun, functional, and surprisingly capable little gadget that proves big things can come in small packages. It's definitely worth checking out if you're looking for something different. Let me know in the comments what you think of this tiny tech marvel. And as always, thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.